This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Venezuela. 1. Angel Falls World Wonder. Kick off your Venezuela adventure at Angel Falls, Salto Angel, the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall. It plunges a staggering 979 meters, 3,212 feet, from the Tepui, a massive tabletop mountain deep in Canaima National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The journey is a multi-day adventure in itself. You will fly from Caracas to Canaima Village. From there, you join a guided tour and travel upriver by motorized dugout canoe for several hours through lush jungle. The reward is the sight of the falls thundering down from the island in the clouds. You can take a short hike to the base pool for a refreshing and very wet swim. The best time for strong water flow is during the rainy season from June to November. It's a trip of a lifetime. 2. Los Roques Caribbean Paradise. Next, escape to Los Roques, a stunning national park and coral archipelago north of Caracas. It's the one place so beautiful that travelers say photos of it look digitally altered, but it's real. With nearly 350 islands and cays, Los Roques offers some of the clearest, most intensely turquoise water in the Caribbean. You will fly into the main island, Gran Roque, a car-free village of sand streets and colorful posadas. From there, you will join daily boat trips out to deserted cays like Cayo de Agua or Francisqui, where you can snorkel in pristine reefs, spot sea turtles, and relax on powdery white sandbars. It's a world-class destination for divers, kite surfers, and anyone who wants a truly unspoiled Caribbean experience. Book your accommodation and flights well in advance, as options are limited. 3. Los Llanos Wildlife Safari. Head south to Los Llanos, a vast tropical savanna that is often called the Serengeti of South America, for its incredible concentrations of wildlife. This region covers nearly one-third of the country and offers a raw, unfiltered nature experience. You will stay at a traditional haddo, cattle ranch, and venture out on game drives. You are practically guaranteed to see capybaras, the world's largest rodent, caimans, and hundreds of bird species. You might also spot howler monkeys, giant anteaters, anacondas, and, if you are lucky, the elusive jaguar. The dry season from December to April is the best time for wildlife viewing, as animals congregate around shrinking water sources. The landscape is vast and flat, and the sunsets over the horizon are spectacular. It's a unique South American safari. 4. Mérida's Andean Peaks. Journey to the Andes Mountains and the city of Mérida, a charming university town with a cool climate and colorful colonial architecture. Here you will find the Teleférico de Mérida, the world's highest and longest cable car system. It is a 4-stage, 12.5-kilometer ride that takes you from the city at 1,640 meters up to the summit of Pico Espejo at a breathtaking 4,765 meters. The views of the snow-capped peaks, deep valleys, and the Andean Páramo are absolutely stunning. The cable car is a marvel of engineering and has been undergoing maintenance. Check the current status before you go, as it has recently resumed operations after upgrades. The thin air at the top is an experience in itself. 5. Margarita Island Sun. Head to Isla Margarita, Venezuela's largest and most famous beach island. It's easy to reach with its own international airport, making it a popular sun destination. The island offers a huge variety of beaches. For a lively scene, go to Playa El Agua, a long stretch of sand lined with palm trees, beach bars, and restaurants. Kite surfers flock to Playa El Yaque, where steady trade winds and shallow, flat water create perfect conditions year-round. For a quieter escape, head to the wilder beaches around Parguito or the spectacular sunsets at Juan Griego Bay. Margarita is known for its duty-free shopping, affordable prices, and the warmth of its people. 6. Canaima's Red Lagoon. Back in Canaima National Park, take time to explore the stunning landscape beyond Angel Falls. A must-visit is the Laguna de Canaima, a breathtaking lagoon with reddish-tinted waters caused by tannins from the surrounding jungle and minerals from the rock. This lagoon is where several powerful waterfalls, including the Sapo and the Golondrina, thunder directly into the water. You can take a boat tour to go right up close to the base of these cascades, getting completely soaked in the process. For the adventurous, the famous Sapo Falls tour allows you to walk on a narrow path behind the torrent of falling water. This is a wild, close-up nature experience you will never forget. 7. Andean Páramo Wildlife. While in the Andes, explore the unique ecosystem of the Páramo, a high-altitude grassland found only in the northern Andes. From Mérida, you can take a trip into the Sierra Nevada National Park. The landscape here is stark and beautiful, with hardy grasses and strange frailejon plants that can live for over a century. This is one of the best places in the country to spot Andean condors, with their massive wingspans soaring on thermal currents. You might also see white-tailed deer and the curious Andean fox. The crisp, cool mountain air and the dramatic scenery offer a complete contrast to the tropical beaches. It is a peaceful and exhilarating escape into a rare alpine world. 8. Orinoco Delta Exploration. Venture east to the Orinoco River Delta, a vast and biodiverse labyrinth of winding channels, mangrove forests, and jungle islands. This is a unique aquatic ecosystem where the mighty Orinoco River meets the Atlantic Ocean. You will travel by motorized canoe deep into the delta to stay at rustic, stilted eco-lodges. Here you can go piranha fishing, spot howler monkeys swinging in the trees, look for caimans on the riverbanks, and see scarlet ibises and toucans in the dense canopy. The local Warao people, known as the Boat People, have lived here for centuries and are often your guides, sharing their knowledge of the river. It's a remote jungle adventure for true explorers. 9. Roraima Tepui Trek. 9th, for the serious adventurer, consider a multi-day trek to the top of Mount Roraima, the most famous of the Tepuis. This massive tabletop mountain inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's The Lost World. Located on the borders of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, it's a prehistoric landscape of dramatic rock formations, deep crevices, crystal-clear pools, and unique carnivorous plants found nowhere else on Earth. The trek takes about 6 to 8 days and requires a guide and porter service from the village of Tepui. It's a challenging hike that involves climbing a steep rock face, but the reward is trekking across an alien world that feels like the continent's highest point. This is the ultimate bucket list experience. 10. Eat Pabellón and Arepas. Finally, you cannot leave Venezuela without eating the incredible food. The national dish is Pabellón Criollo, a hearty platter of shredded beef, black beans, white rice, and fried plantains, often topped with a fried egg. But the true staple is the arepa, a round grilled cornmeal pocket that is split open and stuffed with anything imaginable. The classic reina pepiada is filled with a creamy chicken and avocado salad. For breakfast, try a sweet cachapa, a thick corn pancake, often served with soft white cheese. Grab street food like tequeños, fried cheese sticks, or drink a refreshing papelón con limón, raw cane sugar with lime. The food is simple, filling, and the perfect taste of Venezuela. Come hungry and eat like a local.